Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knit with Hachi. In this video, I would like to describe a very pretty pattern edge or a border. From the right side, it looks like this, and from the wrong side, it looks like this. Friends, stitches needed for this pattern are according to your project. So you can cast on stitches according to your project. There is not particular specific amount of stitches. You can cast stitches according to your pattern or project. So let's start this tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. So friends, now we will cast on stitches on our needle. For cast on stitches, we will use single strand of the yarn, not a double like this. So first of all, make a small knot here like this, and then insert a needle here. You can cast on stitches according to your project. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So here I have cast on 22 stitches on my needle. So now we will start at the first row from the wrong side. If we cast on stitches like this method, so this one will be our right hand side and the side of work will be a wrong side. So now we will start our pattern first row wrong side. Purl 1 stitch, yarn in bag, knit 1 through the back loop. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Purl 1, knit 1 through the back loop, 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 then is purl 1 and knit 1 through the back loop. So in this way we will complete our first row of the pattern wrong side by repeating the pattern purl 1, knit 1 through the back loop. So now is our right hand side, second row right side. First is purl 1 stitch, then yarn in back. Now here is our knit stitch. Now we will twist our needle like this, rolling down from up to down side like this, and insert into the knit stitch through the back loop and roll it down like this, and shift the stitch again into our left hand needle and knit the stitch. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is purl stitch, purl 1, then yarn in back. Now we will twist our needle like this, upward to downward like this, and insert into the knit stitch, and it will be like this, and now knit the stitch. So our pattern is start forming here like this. Then again purl 1 stitch, then yarn in back. Now twist our needle like this, insert into the knit stitch through the back loop, and again twist it like this, shift the stitch back into the left hand needle and knit the stitch like this. Then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back. Now again twist our needle like this and insert into the knit stitch, slip into the right hand needle and again twist it and shift back into the left hand needle and knit the stitch. Then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, again twist our right hand needle like this, insert into the knit stitch through the back loop like this, shift into the right hand needle and it will be like this. Now shift this back into the left hand needle and knit the stitch. Then yarn in front and purl 1 stitch, then yarn in back, again twist our needle like this, insert into a knit stitch through the back loop and it will be like this, shift back into the left hand needle and knit the stitch. Then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. Now again twist our right hand needle like this and insert into the knit stitch through the back loop and slip it in the right hand needle and again twist it like this and knit the stitch. Then yarn in front and purl 1 stitch, yarn in back. Now again twist our right hand needle like this and slip knit stitch like this, and again twist the stitch, slip back into the left hand needle and knit this stitch. Then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, again twist your right hand needle like this, insert into the knit stitch through the back loop and slip it on the right hand needle, again twist it like this and shift back into the left hand needle and knit the stitch. Then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, again twist our right hand needle like this, insert into the knit stitch through the back loop, slip it to the right hand needle and again twist like this, shift the stitch back into the left hand needle and knit the stitch. Then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. So here is the last stitch, yarn in back, knit the last stitch. So friends, after the 2 rows, patterns start forming here like this. Friends, if you want to continue this pattern, purl 1, knit 1, that you can continue simply after the 2 rows, simply purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 up to your desired length. Otherwise, you can do in a 3rd row, purl 1 and then purl all the stitches. Then is a 4th row, slip 1 stitch, then yarn in front, purl all the stitches. Fifth row, slip 1 stitch, then purl all the stitches. Sixth row, slip that stitch, then purl all the stitches. Seventh row, slip that stitch, then purl all the stitches in the 7th row also. You can make any number of rows upon this border according to your choice. So it is like this. So friends, our border is ready like this. From the right side it is like this, and from the wrong side it is like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting